The first day is not just a start, it's a chance to create my future. Every successful person was once a beginner. Today, I begin into a new campus with hope, confidence, and curiosity.
Excited to learn and grow and make many friends.
Every new beginning brings new opportunities, and I am very excited to start this journey. Where my dreams started taking shape.
Maybe nervous, but I'm ready to embrace this new adventure.
Making memories from day one. The future belongs to those who are willing to take the first step. New campus, new dream.
Today I am a newcomer. Tomorrow I will be a proud member of our institution.
Today is the first page of my success story.
Stepping in with hope, walking out with knowledge.
I am here to learn, achieve, and make a difference. Every great journey starts with a single step, and today is mine. A new admission, a fresh start, and endless possibilities ahead. Today is not just the first day of my school, it is the first page of new chapter of my life. First day, endless possibilities.
Day first impression, first step towards my goal.
Journey starts here.
Ready to learn, ready to grow.
A new phase, new experience, and a bright future await me.
Every achievement begins with a decision to try.
A new beginning, a brighter future.